The problem is asking us to calculate the current income of a person buying a house. Is it enough to pay the bank monthly payment? And if it's enough, how much is the difference between the money he can pay monthly and the amount of the person has to pay for the bank loan monthly? For this problem, we have to know its principal left after paying the loan payment. And the next thing we have to know is what's the amount of the annual interest rate and how many years will it take for the person to pay back all the money. And also we have to know what's the salary of the person per month and how many percent is the person willing to pay for the loaning money. As you can see here, we have to calculate the principal left in each month, which is by subtracting it by the monthly payment, which is the constant rate. We'll get the total amount of money to divide it by 30 in here, which is 30 years payment, and divided by 12, which is the month. Here we have to divide it. So we have to calculate the interest of the month. We have to use the leftover principal we have to pay to multiply by the annual interest rate, and then divide it by 12 to see how much interest we have to pay in the month. After that, we'll get the monthly principal to extract it from the total principal left. Here the monthly payment is 6,250 and the interest rate is 11,250. We add it to the total paid in the month, and then here the salary the person is willing to pay is 60, which is not really quite correct for 70% at the left corner here. And the lowest row is telling us whether the person is able to pay the payment in each month or not. And for here, what if we change the salary? Here's the information of our objects. Same rules can be applied to the second question, which is problem B. Here, as you can see, as the amount of money we have is increasing, the amount of interest we receive is increasing as well.